Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to view the different details in GST computation screen. In this screen, we will see the detailed information with respect to GST computation along with the details that will be taken up for different GSTR returns filing. To view the GST computation screen, go to Accounts module and click on GST computation. Alternatively, you can also click on the GST return style on the home screen. On click of GST returns, you will be navigated to the GST compliance home screen. Here, click on GST computation. On both of these navigations, you will be taken to the GST computation period selection screen, wherein select the periodicity for which you would like to see the GST computation. On clicking on OK, the detailed view of GST computation will be visible. Here, if required, you can change the periodicity for which you are looking the GST computation details. Now we will see into a detailed look into this particular screen. Click on View and select on Summary. This will provide us the summary of the GST computation, which are further categorized into outward and inward supplies. The outward and inward supplies are further categorized as intrastate, unregistered, registered and composition supplies, as well as interstate, unregistered, registered and composition supplies. Next, select on Standard under the View mode. On selecting the Standard view, the GST computation details will be furthermore categorized than the Summary mode. That is, both the outward as well as the inward supplies will be further shown up in categories of their respective tax rates. That is, the different taxes under which the sales as well as the purchases were made for the respective registered, unregistered or composition dealers. These details, if required, can be exported or taken up in an Excel report by right click on the particular screen, or it can be emailed with the respective attachments. The preview of the same can be selected by clicking on the preview button. Next, we will see on the detailed view. In the detailed view screen, bill by bill information can be seen which has been taken up for the GST computation, which includes the invoice number, the party name, their GSTN number, the taxable value, the tax amount which is segregated as IGST, CGST, SGST and cess amount, the party type, that is unregistered, registered or composition, and lastly the point of supply, that is to which state the transaction is being made. On double click of a particular record, the invoice of that particular record will be opened for the view purpose, that is the invoice where exactly it was generated. If you would like to make any amendments into this particular invoice, the same can be made and saved in this particular screen, which will reflect back to your GST computation screen. Similarly, you can also view the details of your purchase invoices under the inward supplies. The total against each of the category, that is tax wise or interstate, intrastate wise or inward or outward supply wise, can be seen on compressing each of the categories at the last. Next, click on View and select on 3B details. This will display the screen as similar to your 3B returns filing, that is your GSTR 3B. The details here shown will be the summarized GSTR 3B information required for filing your 3B returns for the particular month selected. On click of Upload, this detail will be taken up for GSTR return filing, and on click of Send to Auditor, the 3B details information will be exported to an Excel file and emailed to the auditor email ID. In the attached file screen, you can see the Excel file attached. Enter the auditor's email ID and click on Send to send this information to the auditor. Next, click on GSTR1 View under View. This will display the details which will be taken up for your GSTR1 returns filing. Double click on any of the record to view the detailed information taken up for each of these category. You can send these details to the auditor by click on Send to Auditor button, or you can right click and export this information to different report formats. Similar to GSTR1 details, GSTR2 details can also be viewed. To view the GSTR2 details, click on GSTR2 View under View. Here, all the details required for your GSTR2 view will be displayed as similar to your GSTR1 view. Also, this information can be sent to the auditor or exported to the required format. Next, we shall see the GSTR9 view, that is your annual return filing. On selecting the GSTR9 view, the details required to file your GSTR9 will be listed. Change the periodicity for the whole year and click on tick mark to display the details of your GSTR9. This can also be exported to an Excel or any other report format by right click on the screen. In this way, the different views can be seen from the GST computation screen. In case of any amount that has to be carry forwarded from the previous month of GST return filing, then enable the option carry forward or payable. On enabling this option, the amount from the previous month which was to be carry forwarded will be displayed for the user to view. This amount will be included in the current month GST returns. If not required to include, uncheck the box and continue. To post the GST payable or refundable value to the journal, click on Create Journal Voucher. This will auto post the journal entry. Before doing the journal voucher posting, you have to do certain master settings. To do the master settings, click on Masters and General Settings. Here, map the respective ledgers for the CGST, SGST, IGST and cess payable or refundable accounts. If the ledgers are already created, select the same from the drop-down, or else click on the particular button or press F9 to create the new ledger. On creating the new ledger, map the same for the applicable. Similarly, map the ledgers for all the tax types, that is CGST, SGST, IGST, cess, along with the ledger required for the TDS account. On applying these mappings done, close the settings screen and come back to GST computation screen, wherein click on Create Journal Voucher. This will ask you if you would like to create the journal voucher. Click on Yes and select the format name under which the posting of voucher has to be done. On successfully creating the journal, the voucher number will be displayed. To view this voucher under the journal, go to Accounts and select on Voucher Entry. Here, select on Journal and sub-select the journal. On selecting the journal voucher entry screen will be displayed. Here click on voucher number and select the voucher number which was displayed. On selecting the particular voucher, the details which was posted from the GST computation screen will be displayed for the user. The narration for the voucher will be auto taken, which can be changed if required. In this way, the different details can be viewed through the GST computation screen, as well as the journal entry can be passed automatically from the GST computation screen. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.